So, with trying to contact other solar systems or other intelligent beings, it's one of those things where it's very complicated and very hard to know if we are getting to them, if they're there, um, because they may not be of sufficient evolutionary status or like technological status, and there may not be anyone there as well. So we've had these programs such as SETI, which is the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, um, and we're talking and we're listening at the same time, and we don't know if we're reaching anything. We haven't heard anything back for sure. There's been things out there that have made us think that there is something there, but we don't exactly know. And it's one of these things where the universe is so large and it just keeps expanding, and so the ability to shoot out and talk to another species, shoot a message out to them, it would take an extremely large amount of time to get that message back to us. So there may have been messages that we've sent out there that we won't get a response back for another year. We may already contact another species and we don't know it yet. And so it's one of those things where, with an expanding universe, and with the mathematics involved, it is extremely hard to know if we've contacted another species, if there is other species out there that are intelligent. Intelligent life is one of those things where it's a great debate whether or not we're alone in the universe or not. There are people out there that believe we are alone. There are people out there that believe we aren't alone. There's mathematical theories out there that state that the chance for life is impossible, or that it's inevitable and it should be like rain, and it should happen like the everyday rainstorm here in Nebraska. So that's one of those things where we don't exactly know if we are contacting another species, but it is extremely hard to contact another species. So the ease is something that we don't know. I mean, if we could develop a more efficient way of communicating, it would make things a lot easier for us to do those things. But that being said, we don't know exactly.